Welcome back to Swedes channel. Today we're going to do the shifter cable. I suspect that they're going to be too long because the 460 is much smaller car than the 850. So we're going to make a hole in the firewall and run the shifter cables through there, attach them to the gearbox and to the shifter, and we'll see if they're long enough or if they're too long. Well, long enough is going to be. See if they're too long or if they're perfect. So the shifter cables, they look like this, and this part goes through the firewall. This was in a different angle than I was planning of making this hole bigger and run them through there, but maybe I make a new hole over here somewhere. So I gotta figure that out. And I saved from the 850, I saved this. This was the factory on the 850 hole. So I got this as a template to do the new hole in the 460. So let's start checking and see where I'm gonna run these. Ooh, this is not gonna be easy. That's a hell of a bend. So where should I pull them out? Ooh. Because I mean, if I tuck him down here under the core, like so, I'm not going to use the clips here to keep them in place because they are a pain in the ass. It's also got to clear the steering shaft. So let's try something here. Oh. Why did that get stuck now? That's incredible. It's incredible how they can find their ways into the tiniest little. So we'll try this. I'll use a hole for the heater, just to see here what it's gonna look like. so I thought about opening up this hole, get them through there, but I still think the bend is gonna be, I don't know. This is a big square hole I put them through, that's for the heater core. So if I put them in this position, what's it gonna look like in here? Well, it might work. It might work. Depending on the heater core box. I'm not sure it's gonna clear that. I'm not going up on the attic to get that thing down. That's a heavy piece of shit. Ooh. This is not easy. I kind of wanted them in the lower hole. I wonder if the bend is gonna be too tight. Hmm. I mean, this would be ideal, but I think the bend's gonna be too tight. Oh. I wonder if I should open up that hole so I can attach the cables so they're kind of solid to the body, and then see what kind of bends I get. I mean, I can, if it doesn't work, I have to weld it shut later on. I think I'll do that, because that would be, I mean, I can, if it doesn't work, I have to weld it shut later on. I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do that, because that would be, I think I'll do That would be the perfect spot, I think. And then it can go up there and like that. Yeah. Let's make a hole there in the firewall so I can shift the cables mounted solid, and then we can see what kind of bends I get. Man, this is tight. Oh, see if I can get in here.
Artlist.io.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke.
Music licensing reimagined.
All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-four weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. One, too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember
Artlist.io.
anything, but I know we got lit. Good times. Live in the moment, feel like summertime. Assassination, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my.
Music licensing reimagined.
Limousines. Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up. Get home to a cold shower. Need that pronto. Look like a rave at the condo. Heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white mention in the top gold. Fill up my cup with the pop, whoa. High off life in the spot, though. Running at the visa, really talking to a real life Mona Lisa. Jesus pieces hanging off the fleece. So much going on, it's hard to focus on the features. I got too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left that. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Let's see. I think this might work. Put it like that, and we go on the outside and see what it looks like. So let's see. So this one go there. And this one there. Well, I have to mount, I have to pull them away from the steering shaft. A little bit, but that would work. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let's get some brackets to hold it away from the steering shaft. That's gonna work. Oh, I'm happy with that. Let's see the gear shifter inside. So let's see if we can rig up the camera here. Oh, you got the. Where am I gonna put it so the light doesn't, like so? So this is the gear shifter, and it's supposed to be there. And let's see here. It's better if I put it the right way. Oh, that's gonna work. That is gonna work. I think that's a done deal. So I get some bolts welded to the body down there for that rubber booth. Do that when it goes up on the rotisserie again for paint. Ooh, that's perfect. I just hope it clears the heater package. That's a big lump. I guess I have to trim it if it doesn't. As long as it doesn't rub on the heater core, but I don't think so. If it's just the plastic, you can trim that and fix that. Well, I'm happy with that. Let's do the next thing. Let's do the handbrake. Got that here. Just do 2 bolts. So here we got a emergency brake cable, and it's supposed to come up here, this one, goes into this one, like so. So what we need to do, we need to make a hole for the cable to go out to the back. And I want them symmetric, so let's measure on the other side. So that's about 13 from here. Oh, that's perfect. This doesn't have to be by the millimeter, but take from that hump there, 13 from that hump, puts it there. So this one goes in from the other side. So it's the sheet metal is sealed here in the last one. So this extra rubber here is going to be on the inside in the car. So let's see how big of a hole we need to do. That is 39. $37. Will that work? It's kind of tight. Well, that's 37. $37 should the hole be. Well, I didn't have 37. 35 was the next one I have is 50. That's too big. So I guess we make it 35 and then we use the file to make it a little bit bigger. like so. There's one side. Let's see how much it differs. Oh, maybe I can use 35. I'm not gonna make that hole any bigger until the time comes to install the cables. I'm gonna go drill the other side. You don't have to see that on the camera. So let's put in the brakes. Got a brake master. It goes from the outside. I didn't count on that. Damn. Shit, I didn't try that with the brake booster on. I'm talking about the clutch master. Let's put this one on first. Oh, it might clear it. That goes there. The nut on. And there's a screw. I'm just using some random bolts and nuts that I have here because this is all gonna be taken apart again. Okay, let's see if the brake booster fits. If it doesn't, I'm fucked. It does. It's really tight for the let's see now, what was it I had to do with this now? Yeah, that's right, I had to put this one in first because it goes up in the steering column. So take that off. There's a lot of sharp edges when you have no... Where's the hole? There. What? Like so. What I didn't like about this was this one touched the rubber. That I don't like. But just bend it a little bit. Oh. There's the brake booster. Now I haven't clocked it the right way because the vacuum is not straight up. But that's then we do have, let me get it. I'm probably gonna get a new one, but this is the clutch thingy. So I think I get a new one. I mean, this, if this has never been replaced, it's got some hairline fracks in the hose, and if it's never been replaced, this one's got 400,000 kilometers on it. So I'm going to get a new one of these and bend it the way I want it. So it goes to the clutch master. It's down there. Everything's getting new. The clutch cylinder is going to get new. The master cylinder, I'm going to get a new one. But that's, and then we go, but that's going to be another video. This is the throttle cable. I have to modify this one. This one's got to be modified to match the gas pedal connection, and it's probably too long too. So, but that's another video. This is what I wanted done in this video. So this is in here now. I probably gonna cut the front in the next video. Start building the stuff for the radiator. So like I said in the previous video, please give me some tips on how to reinforce the front here when I cut it open. But I'm super happy with the shifter cables. It turned out okay running them that way. I was nervous about it. I thought they were going to be way too long, but I guess not. So I say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Now we got pedals, just need a steering wheel, shifter, brakes. Ooh, I don't have much left, and I can put it on the rotisserie again and start painting it. Ooh, I'm on a roll now. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.